Every second, machines up there are trying to process more data faster. But the most advanced processor in this solar system isn't in orbit. It's not in the smartest cities we've built either. I am an engineer, and everything I know about engineering fails against what's running inside your body right now. And in 30 seconds, I will show you the one input that decides if that system thrives or fails. NASA spent billions in generating systems that keep humans alive in the most hostile environment we know. Down here, we build cities that filter water, air, and energy at massive scale. Beautiful, efficient, nothing compared to what's already inside you. Let's go inside. Every minute, your liver filters a liter and a half of blood. This is where it starts. It scans everything: toxins, medication, alcohol, identify and process in real time. 200 billion of these cells work in parallel, the actual processor doing the work. Astronauts train for hours a day just to keep their bodies functional in zero gravity. Your liver does something just as demanding, non-stop, with zero training required. But overload the system and it starts to struggle. Alcohol doesn't just pass through, it corrodes the machine from the inside. This is the system sounding every alarm it has. Ignore the warnings long enough, and the damage becomes structural. This is what engineering failure looks like when it's not caught in time. But here's what no machine we've built can do: repair itself. Astronauts fix broken equipment with their hands, piece by piece. Your liver does something far more advanced. It rebuilds its own structure, its own cells, without a single tool. This is regeneration. Your liver can rebuild up to thirds of itself. I am an engineer. Nothing I've ever built comes close. We build cities to last decades. Your body rebuilds itself every single day. If you want to understand the machine you already own, subscribe to God Engineer.